These are the greenery I clipped out of the garden. This is Nandina. In some sections of the plant it does have a nice berry. You do go to buy flowers anywhere that you go. It's nice to look for bunches that have nice green stems, green foliage, and that the flowers aren't fully open. That's a broken leaf. Pull that down gently. Try not to strip into the stem. You don't want to cut open the stem because then oxygen gets in and water can't flow up to the flower. And this is a flower preservative. You don't need a whole pack per vase. It is nice to use maybe about a tablespoon or a teaspoon in a smaller vase, a tablespoon in a larger vase. The bacteria that grows in water, this helps kill the bacteria and keeps the water fresher longer so it doesn't get all cloudy. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit in here while they're drinking. Okay, now we're going to get ready to design. You can turn things, you can move it around. Let's just get them all on and see what looks best. You want to go tall, short, forward and back. It's nice for a buffet piece too if you're not dining at the table and have platters of food on the table around it. I think I'm gonna put some votive candles in here too. It's nice to scatter these in different spaces. Just make sure that when they're lit, nothing's in front of the candle, nothing's gonna hang down and catch fire.